Hello, Pavani, can you hear me? Hello,
Hello, sir. Good morning.
good morning. Sirisha, can you view my desktop? Sirisha,
Yes, sir. Yes,
okay,
sir.
okay, cool. Smriti, can you view my desktop?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Okay, cool. All of you put mute. Say Selenium class 31, handling elements in Selenium part 3. Handling elements in Selenium. Observe in the last class part 2, last before class part 1. See, the part 1, just a minute. Part 1, handling elements in Selenium, part 1. We discussed first basics, web elements, element locators, programming features, etc. Then we discussed two elements handling. One is handling browser, next handling edit box. See, handling browser, next handling edit box. Okay, next handling elements in Selenium part 2. Yesterday's class we discussed 3+ elements. First one, just a minute. 1, 2, next 3. Handling text area, handling text area. Next, error message, error message, and pop-up window, or you can say error pop-up. Next, handling button, button. Next, handling link, link. These we discussed yesterday. Next, today we are going to discuss remaining elements: handling radio button, handling radio button. Next, handling drop down box, handling drop down, just a minute, drop down box. Next, handling checkbox, handling checkbox. Just a minute. Next, handling image, image button. Image has 3 flavors. Image, otherwise you can say 3 types of image element in web. 3 types of image element in the web: image, button, and image link. Next, handling web table, or you can say HTML table. HTML table. Next, handling frames. Okay. Now continue. Observe Pavani, come Pavani. Handling radio button. Handling radio button. Avoid the disturbance, Pavani. You put mute, Pavani. Put mute. You come, Smriti. Smriti, come and guide me.
Yes, sir.
Handling radio button. Handling radio button. Okay, na? Now tell me, what are the
Yes.
important operations? Just manual operations. See, manually we operate web elements in our system. For example, in internet, daily we operate. See, operating radio button. What is the purpose of radio button? Option selection. Suppose in our web form, 2 or 3 radio buttons are there called radio group. Here you can check or select any one radio button. For example, 2 radio buttons, male, female. Next, suppose class of journey. Suppose if it is flight reservation, 3 radio buttons, first class, business class, economy class, like that. See, selecting the option. Here, what are the important operations? Primary operation. Tell me, Smriti, primary operation on radio button. What is the primary operation?
Sir, basic operation is selection.
Selection. Okay, select. Okay. By clicking that one, we can select. We use click method or command, WebDrivers. This is primary. Next, other operations are check the check displayed status, check displayed status. Next, check enabled status. Next, check selected status, true or false, Boolean result. Observe Srisha, here no unselect operation on radio button. Why? Suppose if you select another radio button in the same radio group, then your first radio button will be unselected automatically, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Say no unselect. Observe Smriti.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute, Smriti. Just a minute. Just a minute. Click this create an account link. Here observe, in this registration form, you can find two radio buttons, male, female, and it is mandatory field. You need to select any one. This is option only. Suppose if I select, observe the possible operations on radio button. First I am checking manually or automated. Suppose I want to focus on male radio button. First I am checking the displayed status. Yes, male radio button is visible. Okay. Next, enabled status. Male radio button is enabled, means ready to perform operation on it. Next, selected status. Selected status false. After launching this page, it is blank. Next, select that one. Select selected. Next, unselect. Click once again. Nothing will happen. Otherwise, select another radio button in the same radio group. Female. Now unselected. So we cannot apply the unselected operation directly on the radio button. If you select another radio button in the same group, it will be unselected. Okay, na Smriti?
Yes, sir, I got it, sir.
Okay, cool. Next, WebDriver script. Selenium WebDriver test script. Selenium WebDriver test script. Just a minute. Observe Jyotirmai. Suppose launch this page directly. Launch this page. You can launch any page directly by providing that URL. Launch Eclipse IDE. Create a Java class, new class. Suppose class 1. Generate the main method. Click finish. Okay. Next, create Firefox driver instance, or you can say create Firefox browser driver in WebDriver interface. WebDriver driver, say it is previous version, Selenium 2.53. The latest version 3 plus. We need to instantiate the driver, then create the driver. But in previous version, Firefox driver is the default browser. You no need to instantiate. But for other browsers like Chrome, IE, etc., we need to instantiate the browser driver, then create the driver. That we will discuss in cross browser testing chapter, I think in this week only. Okay. WebDriver driver equal to new keyword, new Firefox driver D capital, open and close parenthesis, semicolon. Next, import WebDriver libraries. Next, import Firefox driver library. Okay. Next, launch the web page, registration page, driver.get. Just a minute. Observe Jyotirmai.
Yes, sir.
Not only home pages. For example, google.com, icicbank.com. Not only home pages. You can launch any page. Suppose I am going to launch registration page in this web application a registration page directly. You can launch
Okay.
any page directly by providing the path.
URL.
Okay. By providing the URL or by providing the link address. Okay. Just a minute. Next, what we have to do? Check this mail button. Before that, observe Jyoti, not Jyotirmay. Jyoti, observe,
Yes, sir.
observe this mail button. First, inspect this one. Suppose Firebug. Just a minute. Select HTML. Take mouse pointer. Show the mail. Observe tag name.
Yeah.
Tag name input.
Input.
Type radio. Type is not element locator. Next,
Yes.
value. Value is not element locator. Name is there. Name is element locator. Next, doubt is there. You inspect another radio button in the same group. Female. Tag name input. Type radio value F, leave them. Next, name same gender. So we cannot use name. Why? Name locator is duplicate. So go for next link text, partial link text, not applicable for this element. Next, go for CSS selector or XPath. Suppose I am selecting XPath. Most of the time XPath is slower in execution but unique. Why? It describes location of the element. I think two or more elements, developers won't place two or more elements in the same location. So most of the time XPath is unique but slower in execution. If it is ID is fast in execution, as like name for man. Example. Take the hand icon. Just a minute. Take the hand icon. Show the mail. Input 1. Observe Jyoti. Next, female. Variation is there na? Check duplicate or not, check that one. Variation is there. Observe that value. We cannot read that value, but you can find the variation. At last words,
different.
Input of 2, male, input of 1. Otherwise, you copy these two values and place in notepad and check the difference. Okay, difference is there.
Yes.
I am taking this value. Just a minute. Just a minute. Driver. Just a minute.
Spelling. Oh, yeah.
Driver dot find element.
Find element
by dot xpath. Preeti Joshi, are you following?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Dot.
We got path.
Dot. Suppose is displayed. First I am checking displayed status. Displayed status is, it returns the displayed status. That status is Boolean type data. Take the Boolean variable. Boolean. Suppose A equal to like this.
Okay.
Next, check the
same thing. Boolean
enabled status. Enabled status. Suppose
Boolean.
I'm going to use, for example, observe the different usage. Suppose I am going to use same variable for another purpose. You no need to declare the data type again. Anyhow, variables take latest values, but use display statement immediately. Suppose control space enter EA. I think it will show true. Next, again I'm going to use same. Otherwise, you can use another variable, no issue. Just different usage. A. Observe Bhairappa. I am not using any data type for A. Why? A variable already defined or declared. Again I am using A. So second time no need to declare the data type. Once I declared, I can use n number of times. Otherwise, another variable. If you take new variable, then define the data type. Dot find element by dot xpath. Next xpath value. Just a minute. Just a minute. This is xpath value. Dot is enabled semicolon. This time is enabled semicolon. Next display this one. Suppose SYSO control space enter. Next A. This one also true. Next observe Jyoti. Check
Yes.
the selected status.
Select.
Selected
Yes,
status. Selected status also Boolean. For example, once again I am going to use this one. Just a minute. A equals to, just a minute.
Copy that.
A equal to dot is selected. Vijay, tell me the third output. Vijay, guess the third output.
Sir, it is false, sir.
False. Good. Is false. False. Next, observe. Select that one. Select that one. How to select? Dot click.
Select.
Click means select.
Yes.
Click means select. After select, once again check this one. Once again check this one. What is the last output? Jyoti, what is the last output?
True.
True. True. Okay. Run the program. Observe. Run the program. Just a minute. Mail selected. Go to Eclipse IDE. True, true, false, true.
False.
Any queries, Preeti Joshi? Any queries?
Sir, what is the difference between is disable and is select? Can you please show me the
Just
code?
a minute. Just a minute. Tell me. What is the problem? Tell me.
Is display I got it is enabled and is selected. What is difference in both of them?
Why you are asking
Enable.
this question? Elementary standard question, this one. Just a minute. Observe.
Okay.
Is selected, I know, sir. But
Is selected this one.
yeah, I got that. I know. Sir.
Enabled means ready to perform operation on it. Object is enabled. Suppose object is in disabled mode, you cannot operate this one, na?
You cannot select.
that is enabled. See, display is different, enabled is different.
Enable.
Okay.
You are not getting. What is the problem? Tell me. I think
I got it, sir.
enabled. I think any disabled fields in our application.
So usually disabled means it will be in gray color sometimes.
Yes. If you static, if you click that one, nothing will happen.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Will
I got
happen.
it, sir.
Suppose enabled means ready to perform operation it.
Yeah, operation,
Suppose
ready to
link is
perform
enabled, you
operation.
can click. Suppose link is disabled, you cannot click. Suppose edit box is enabled, you can enter some value. Edit box is
Yes.
disabled, means not enabled, you cannot enter the value at this point of time. Maybe it will be enabled after some operations. Any problem, Preeti Joshi? I will show that example later.
I got it, sir. I got it.
Displayed status means visible status. Visible or not. Suppose, as per developers, Gmail link available on Google homepage, but Gmail link element not available. That is displayed status false. Next, Gmail link available but in disabled position means gray color. If you click that one, nothing will happen. That is enabled status false means disabled. Next, selected only for some elements. Suppose selected only for radio buttons and checkboxes, not for other elements. Okay, na?
Yes, sir. I'm good, sir.
Okay,
Thank
cool.
you.
Welcome. Now you come. I'm asking. I'm going to ask you only. You come, Preeti. Same script. This is first type syntax. Means first finding the element or recognizing the element and performing operation on that element. Next, follow the second syntax. Whenever you want to perform multiple operations on any element or same element, you can use second syntax. First, create a web element, then perform multiple operations. Just a minute.
The bill.
Create web, create web element and perform multiple operations, one or more multiple operations on the element. Observe Jyotirmai. Say first one, just this one.
Yes.
Just a minute. You take that X path, otherwise you need to capture that one. Come, Preeti, come. First create web element for radio button in this page. Radio button in this page.
Web element.
Web element. Web. Just a minute. Web element. Next, suppose radio button. Any meaningful name you can use. XYZ also equal to driver dot find element. Next, by dot type X, select X path, enter X path value. Just a minute. Already double quotes are there. Okay. Next, semicolon, just semicolon. Okay. Now web element created. import web element library. Okay. Next, perform operations one by one on radio button.
Radio.
First check the displayed status. Suppose Boolean. Just a minute. I will show another one. Another one. Just a minute. Boolean status. Just a minute. Status equal to radio. Radio button dot is displayed semicolon. Next, we are using same variable na, so display immediately. If you use different variables, you can display at the end of the program also. Now display immediately, otherwise variables take latest values. State variable takes latest value. Next, status equal to radio button dot is enabled. Next, SYSO control space enter status. Next, status equal to radio button dot is selected. Next, SYSO control space enter. No. Status. Next, select the radio button. Preeti, select the radio button.
Status.
Why status? For selecting radio button, why status?
Oh, sorry. Radio button dot select.
Radio button dot click. Next, again, check the selected status. Status equal to radio button dot is selected semicolon. Next, SYSO
System.
control space enter status. Observe first one. I think manually you can observe true. Second one also true. Third one false by default.
False.
Not selected, false. Next, after selection, definitely you can get true status.
True.
Say true, false, true. True, false, true. Next, at the end, close the browser driver dot close. Run the program. Just a minute. Launching. True, false, true. Okay, now Vijay, any queries, Vijay?
Sir, no queries, sir.
Okay, cool. Sirisha. Okay. Now, Vijay, you only come, Vijay. Vijay, come. Next, say drop down box list box, combo box, operations almost all same. Just one or two operations different, but handling is almost all same. See, handling, drop down, handling, drop down box. Observe Vijay, what is the purpose or functionality of drop down box?
Sir, we can select items inside the drop down box. Sir.
Yes, select an item from available items, isn't it? Suppose city drop down box is there, 10 cities information available, already developer provided the data called master data, real time term. Master data means required data for running the application. Okay. Selecting an item from the available items. Suppose 8 box, entering a value, it provides a provision to enter the value. Button, it submits. Link, it redirects. Radio button selects an option. Okay. Drop down, select an item, not option. An item. Here primary operation on this one, select an item. Select an item. Now tell me other operations on drop down, Vijay.
Sir, check whether it is in disabled state.
Yes.
Sorry, is
First
display state.
Display. Check displayed status. Displayed or not. Next, check
Is
enabled. Enabled status. No selected status for this one. Next, select an item. Next, one more thing. Return items count. If you want to return or capture all items, for that programming logic required, Vijay, but using WebDriver methods, we can perform these operations. Any other, Vijay?
Sir, like us. Okay, select an item. Yeah, no, sir. Fine, sir.
Okay, maximum we covered. Now Selenium WebDriver script. Selenium WebDriver script. Observe Vijay. Observe. Suppose same page. Just launch the application, launch that registration page. Okay. In this country drop down is there. Operate this one. Observe Vijay, country is there. Just a minute. Okay. Another type, Vijay, without
Sir.
taking into variable, display the status of displayed and enabled directly one by one directly.
Sir, driver dot.
Just a minute. First, display the status directly. First, inspect the element. HTML, show that one name is there, name country, small letters. Display directory means earlier we used variables, this time difference. You can use variables and store the value. That is the proper way. Suppose if you want to display only, use this syntax, but this is not proper way. SYSO control space enter
Driver.
driver dot
Find element
find element
by
by
name.
dot name of
Country.
country.
Dot.
Just a minute. Why it is showing 3 brackets?
Sir, since the system, no, sir, it is showing close brackets also, sir.
No,
System dot out dot print.
dot is okay. System dot out dot println is there na, that's why. One more. Okay. Now run the program. Definitely it will show displayed na true status. True. Launching. True. Observe Vijay.
Yes, sir.
Next, same way, check the enabled status. Just a minute.
Copy and just replace with is an
Is enabled. Just a minute. Dot type I. Select is enabled. One more parenthesis, semicolon. First one is true. Manually you can observe. Second one also true. First one true. Second one also true. Run the program. You will get true. Launching the web page. Eclipse true. I didn't close the browser. Leave it. I didn't close the browser.
Sir, just for the understanding purpose, sir.
Ah.
Can't we just execute 17th line, sir? Since because we need to execute all from 1 to 16. Can't we execute only 17th line, sir?
Only 17th line we cannot execute.
Okay.
How to execute? Suppose base state is there now. We are launching this page now.
Sir.
Suppose if you execute only 17th line, how WebDriver knows that element available and so on, and that element available in so and so registration page? How can it?
No, sir,
How can it set that page?
Sir, correct, sir. But what I want to do, try to understand is, since we already checked for the is displayed statement is true, so we have confirmed that this is true. Since okay. Okay, sir.
We can't.
Okay, sir. But in UFT we need to do no, sir. So that's why I
doesn't support that one. And one more thing, there is no logic also that. No logic. Observe here, source, add block comment. Just a minute. Run the program. It won't execute. See, error.
Yes, it's error.
Error also there. Could not find the load main class. First of all, main method also not available. Next,
okay,
that page base page not available. You cannot execute that one.
Okay.
Just a minute. Source remove block comment. Now come Vijay. This is drop down box. Handling is some different than other elements. Here in drop down you can find multiple items. We need to select any one item. Here I am going to take select predefined class support and number of items na, not single item na, list
Yes, sir.
predefined class support. Observe Preeti also. Select. This is predefined class. Select instance. Drop down equal to.
New.
Just a minute. Object creation different type. Okay. New. Select. New select. S capital. It is predefined class. New select of. See, observe the different usage. Driver dot find element by dot name of country name of country semicolon. Here S capital letter. Observe Vijay. Observe here two selects are there na.
Yes, sir.
Import carefully which one. In Selenium
First
is
one,
there
sir.
na. First one org
First one,
OpenQA Selenium. Import this one. Otherwise what will happen? Suppose import second one. It is not correct import. Observe still marking. Remove this incorrect import. Observe Preeti. Select. Take suggestion. Import. Select from OpenQA Selenium. Now, okay. Final conclusion, Vijay. Sometimes more than one suggestions, more than one items, same type. That time you need to select appropriate item. If you select another item, definitely you cannot execute that script. Earlier, first select red marking removed, second select not removed. This time removed all. Now observe Vijay. Suppose drop down is select instance. You can apply methods on that one. Here, if you want to select Vijay, you can use either index or text, visible text. Either index, if it is index, integer, don't use double quotes. If it is visible text, use double quotes. Index starts from 0 to n minus 1. That is coding standard. But in some applications, you may not find that type of coding standards. Sometimes developers may violate that coding standards. That time, use trial and error concept. Otherwise, it has to start from 0. Anyhow, use get visible text. That is 100% perfect. Observe, suppose I want to select Afghanistan. Forget about please select, that is default. I want to select Afghanistan. Then what is the index value? Vijay?
0, sir.
0.
0, sir.
0 to n minus 1. Just a minute.
Sir, but I think it's one, sir.
Huh?
I think it's one because there is already please select. Maybe sometimes
Please
developers
select is
give.
develop. Sometimes developers may use that one. We cannot say. Already I told.
Yeah.
Developers may not follow user interface design standards sometimes. That time trial and error. Use 1, use 0. If it is working,
And one,
continue.
yeah.
Otherwise, use 1 like that. Suppose drop down dot
Index.
drop down dot type yes select by index,
Index.
suppose 0, 0. Observe Ravindra, run the program, launching. Ravindra, I think developers used zero index for please select. Actually, that is default value.
Yes, sir.
That is default value.
Yeah.
Okay, you use trial and error concept. Just a minute. Suppose 1. Run the program. I think it will select, this time it will select Afghanistan. Observe Vijay, selected na?
Yes, sir.
Next, observe Vijay, instead of this one, it is easy to use get visible, visible text. Drop down dot, type yes, select by visible text. Suppose India, just a minute, India is there. Type I, observe Vijay, India is there. Okay, you no need to count index, just based on index, based on visible text. You can, based on visible text. Run the program. Just a minute. Observe Vijay, India selected na?
Yeah.
Any problem?
Sir, it is showing Georgia.
Pardon?
It is showing Georgia, sir.
Georgia.
No, it's showing India.
India. What about you, Preeti?
Now it is showing, sir.
Some problem is there. You disconnect and connect again. What about you, Jyotirmai?
India.
India
Yes,
only.
sir.
No, I think
Yeah.
Some streaming problem from your side. Vijay, you disconnect and connect again. Observe Jyoti. Observe. Okay, that selection is the selection is primary operation. Next, displayed, enabled also important operations, but secondary operations. Next, if you want to take count of the items, for that we need to take another built-in class support list. Observe. This is list web element.
sir, before that, I have one question, sir. Sir, I just tried one thing, sir. If you want to select like multiple values from the drop-down list,
Drop-down won't support multiple.
Yes.
you mean like combo box?
Combo box is different. Combo box, you enter statements one by one. First statement India, second statement another statement Pakistan like.
But drop-down is
Drop-down won't support.
Yeah.
Drop-down won't support. What will happen? Suppose if you use another statement, it will take latest value, Ravindra. Drop-down.
Yes, sir.
Selecting
That
multiple
was my
values.
question.
Manually also you can check that one. If it is combo box or list box, not combo box. Combo box also one item. Either from available items or you can type new item.
Yes.
But if it is list box only, you can enter one or more items. Multiple items not mandatory.
Yes,
one or more items. There you have to write multiple statements. Suppose in first statement India, second statement Pakistan, third statement Afghanistan, like that. Not in single statement.
Correct, sir. Yes, sir. So is that way? That is the way correct, right, sir?
Yes, that is the way. Not in single statement.
Okay, that was my question. Okay, sir. Right. Thanks.
Welcome.
Yeah.
Observe next list. Here I am taking observe Jyotirmai list
Yes,
class support. Why? Here our item having list, multiple items, multiple sub items. Here I am not, I am going to create a list web element, not ordinary web element. Suppose E equal to, follow the syntax.
Drop down.
We need to follow this syntax. Drop down dot type G, get options, get options. Import list, list available in Java, list available in sun.xml, list available in Java util. Which one? Ravindra. 3 lists available.
Java util, sir.
Java
Java
util.
util, sir.
Java util. Yes. Next, suppose you can display directly sy so control space enter. Suppose if you want to capture items one by one, for that no WebDriver direct method available, you need to write the logic program. For getting size, WebDriver commands available. Suppose e dot type yes size. Next, driver dot close. Before this, we are selecting Indiana. Observe Vijay. Observe. Run the program. Launching. India selected. I didn't close the browser. Total items 240. Observe Ravindra. Any queries?
No, sir, I'm fine.
Sir,
Ah,
I'm not getting in my this one Java ID. I'm not getting the select this one, sir. What do you call it?
select.
Like list like to import from Java and selecting like all the options what you're getting. So like select by
Predefined class we are using. That list class available in different library, different areas. Our list is java.util. Our list, our correct, our required list class or library is available in java.util package. Then what is the problem?
sir, I got it, sir. But what I wanted to say is like the select whatever you perform the operation was, sir, like select, then select by index. I'm not getting those context help in my ID, sir, Java ID. Do I need to install any other like any packages there, sir, for that?
Where?
Plugins, sir.
Line number?
Line number like 24, sir.
24.
Like select by visible text, select by index. I'm not getting that, sir. Like select by index or select by visible text.
That methods, just a minute.
Those methods I'm not getting, sir. It is not giving in my top
This one.
context help, sir.
This is context
this,
menu.
Context menu I'm not getting, sir.
This context menu based on that IDE, Eclipse IDE. You are using Eclipse IDE?
Correct, sir.
If you use Eclipse IDE, definitely it will provide that context menu. Suppose if you use Notepad, it won't provide. And one more thing, in our Selenium, we don't use Notepad for writing Java code. If we use Eclipse IDE on any platform like Windows 10 or Linux or Mac, definitely it will provide that context menu. Otherwise, installation problem, environmental issue. You uninstall and install again that one and set the environment variable path correctly. Hello?
Sir.
I
What
think
it say?
your environment problem. What about you, Ravindra? Are you getting this one context menu or not?
Yes, sir, I'm getting. I'm fine with that. Yeah.
Okay, cool. What about you, Jyotirmai?
Yeah, I am also trying, sir.
Yes, definitely anybody can get context help from Eclipse IDE. If you are not able to get that one, any installation problem may be there. Tell me,
Sir, it is
Ravindra.
not.
Vijay.
It is not showing me to import that. Import those from that Java,
Yes,
sir.
you are not getting context help.
Not context, sir. Like the 21st line when you
That is also
perform that.
21st line. Just a minute. Just a minute.
First we need to
That is also context. This
No, sir.
one.
That select when you gave that select, no, sir.
Just a minute. Uh, just a minute. What is that one? Select this one. Remove this one.
10th line, sir. 10th line.
Now, if you place the mouse pointer here, definitely it will show the suggestions. These are suggestions.
It is, yes, sir. But in
Suggestion.
main, I don't know, sir. Like,
Suggestion.
yes, sir.
If you are not able to get this type of suggestions, maybe your installation problem, environment setup problem. Definitely,
Yes, sir.
you have to get suggestions, context help. What is the advantage of Eclipse IDE instead of using traditional notepad like editor? First one is it provides editor. Okay, notepad also provides editor. Next, it provides syntax guidance. Suppose if you use any incorrect syntax, then it will show red marking. Next, it will provide context help. Suppose if you type object dot, then it will show applicable methods on that object. Next, and it provides suggestions. Suppose you are using any predefined class, then it asks you download so and so predefined class from that source like. That is suggestion. Any problem?
No, sir. Okay, sir.
Your system
I'll check
problem.
it, sir.
You try to rectify that one.
I am also getting, sir.
Pardon?
I am getting that context.
Yes, this is context. Definitely will get.
And sir, one more question. So when we are listing the number came, right, sir, 240, can we list all the countries also?
Already I told. Already I told. No direct Selenium WebDriver method available for returning values, text values.
Okay.
Only count. Count means single value. Values means multiple values. No direct Selenium WebDriver method for returning all items from drop-down box or list box or combo box. If you want to return, you need to apply the logic. Use loop statements, conditional statements. You try with the logic. Any problem?
By using extended for loop, we can write it down.
Okay.
Sir, right?
Use logic, but no direct WebDriver method, Ravindra.
So because I just
Yes,
want to
correct.
find out if any duplicates are there or something
Yes,
like
for
that.
that you need to write the logic, no direct this method.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Observe
Even
Preeti
sometimes
Joshi.
interviewer also asked that same question.
If you want to check all items, then you need to write the logic, no direct method. Observe Preeti Joshi. Any problem?
No, sir, I am good.
Okay, cool. Next, I have some urgent meeting. Okay, 20 minutes time is there. I need to complete one more. Last item for the day. Come Preeti Joshi. Come Preeti Joshi. 8. Handling checkbox. Handling checkbox. What is the primary operation on checkbox?
Is displayed.
Is displayed is primary operation.
Select, sir.
Select is primary operation. Observe Ravindra. Other operations are check, displayed,
Status and enable.
displayed status. Next, check, enabled status. Next, select. Suppose if already selected in some forms, in some web forms, suppose some checkbox already selected, as per your navigation you need to unselect. Yes, you can unselect. But for radio button, no unselect concept. Unselect. Here one more thing, Jyoti.
Sir, we can check selected status
Yes,
also, right?
yes, that is I'm going to write. Check
Okay.
selected status. Selected status. Okay, just a minute. Next, Selenium WebDriver script. Selenium WebDriver script. Just a minute. Observe Preeti. Suppose I want to operate this page. I think I sent these pages. Suppose multiple checkbox page. Oh, is it default? Leave it. Just a minute. Observe Preeti. I want to operate this third checkbox. Third checkbox. Guide me. First, inspect that element before going to perform operations on any element. First, inspect the element and take unique locator for recognizing that element. Guide me.
Select the fire bug.
Suppose fire bug. Take mouse pointer. Show the third tag input. Type checkbox. Type is not element locator. Name is there. Name chk. Okay. Next, select doubt. Select another checkbox. Fourth, same input tag. Type checkbox. Name chk. Fifth, name chk. Sixth, just a minute. Name chk. So we cannot use this one. Next, tag name also duplicate. Next, link text, partial link text, element locators not applicable for this element. It is not link. It is not link element. Next, name duplicate, ID not available, class name also not available. Then go for CSS selector or XPath. You can try with CSS selector also. Okay, I'm going to use XPath. Find the XPath for that button. We decided regular element locators not suitable. Regular element locators are not suitable for the third checkbox. So go for XPath, Preeti. Go for XPath.
Yes, select the Firebug.
Go to launch Firebug.
Yeah.
Launch Firebug. Select FirePath. Here select XPath. Already selected. Take hand icon. Take mouse pointer. Show the third checkbox. Just observe the value. Otherwise, you copy this value and paste in Notepad and copy other checkboxes values also and compare. Suppose if value is unique, then you can use, otherwise leave it. Okay, most of the time unique only 99%, not 99%, I think 100%. Observe Preeti, it is showing input of 3, fourth one, input of 4, first one, input of 1, input of 2, input of 5, last one, input of 6. Shall we use this value, Preeti? Shall we use this value?
But here.
Yes. Take this value. Take this value. Just a minute. Use first syntax, then Ravindra can explain second syntax. First time, first syntax only. What is the first syntax? Just a minute. Driver dot get, first launch that page. Driver dot get. Just a minute. Driver dot get. Just a minute. Where is that page? Driver dot get. Next. Just a minute. Driver dot find element. Next, by dot xpath of xpath value dot suppose type I is displayed. You take boolean variable, suppose boolean display status meaningful variable equals to. Just a minute. You copy this one. Next, boolean enabled status. Enabled status. Change the method. Remove the dot. Type I. Select is enabled semicolon. Next, third one. Just a minute. Selected status. Selected status. Selected status. Remove this method. Is displayed method. Dot type I. Select is selected method or command. Next, display one by one. SY SO control space enter. Displayed status. Next, enabled status. Just a minute. Next, selected status. Selected status. Okay. Now observe. Now tell me the outputs of these three. Preeti, first output. Manually you can observe that page. Manually you can observe that page.
True.
True. Next.
True.
True.
False.
Next. False. False. Next again. Select that one. Select means click. Click. Select means click. Dot. Type C. Select click. Next again. Check this one. Suppose selected status 2. Selected status 2. Selected status 2. What is the last output? Preeti, last output?
True.
True.
True, sir.
True. And observe, Preeti, unselect operation also there. If you select again, then it will unselect. But radio button is different. Radio button is different. Observe. Suppose I want to select third checkbox. Click selected. Next, I want to unselect third checkbox. Unselected. How to unselect? Suppose use this statement 25th line once again. Next, once again, select the status. Suppose selected status 3. Definitely it should be false. Observe Jyotirmai, okay na? Any confusion?
No, sir.
First we are checking display status, enabled status and selected status. After that select means click. After select, again take selected status. Next, again select means unselect. Next, last take selected status. It should be false. What are the required outputs? True, true, false, true, false. True, true, false, true, false. Run the program. Just a minute. Observe Vijay. At the end, it unselected. Anyhow, I didn't write close step. Okay. True, true, false, true, false. Okay, na Ravindra. Any confusion, Ravindra?
No, sir. I'm clear.
Okay, cool, Ravindra. Next, you come, Ravindra. Okay, Jyoti. Okay, Preeti Joshi. We'll meet tomorrow. Now you come, Ravindra. Follow the second syntax. What is that second syntax? Whenever you want to perform multiple operations on any element, if required, then use the second one, but no issue. You can follow first syntax also. What is the first syntax? In every step, in every test step, identifying the element and performing operation on that element. What is the second syntax? First, identify the element and create web element. Next,
And then
perform operations one by one on that element. You no need to identify the element in every step. Okay. Create
web element.
Web element. and perform operations one by one. One by one.
One.
Now just a minute, Ravindra. Just I will remove this one. You just take this one. I'm going to remove this entire code. Guide me. First launch that so and so page. If it is intranet page or internet page, web page only.
Yes, sir. So web element.
Web element, web element.
And any meaningful name.
Suppose
checkbox. Yeah.
You can use ABCD also. Checkbox equal to
driver
dot
find
element. Next by dot type X
name.
Select X path. Next enter X path value semicolon. Now just identifying the element and storing that reference to web element.
Yes, sir.
Next you can perform operations directly on web element. Directly on
Checkbox.
web element. Suppose what is that status type? Boolean. Boolean displayed status equal to
checkbox dot is displayed.
Checkbox dot is displayed semicolon. Just a minute. Okay. Next Boolean enabled
status.
Enabled status equals to checkbox
dot is enabled.
Dot is spell mistake. Checkbox dot type I select is enabled. Next Boolean suppose
Selected status.
Selected status. We are going to take selected status multiple times. That's why I'm using one. Otherwise, leave it. No issue. Checkbox
dot is selected.
Checkbox dot just a minute. Spell mistake.
Yeah.
Checkbox. Remove the dot and again type dot. Type I. Select is selected. Just a minute. Semicolon. Next, display the values one by one. Suppose SYSO control space enter.
Displayed status.
Just a minute. Displayed status.
Sir? Can we do in one this system.out.println in that only in one statement can we put
can we
display
put can we put all statuses in one statement, but that is not readable.
That
is not readable. All values are unique values. That is not readable and not combined also, isn't it? Every status is unique, not combined. Just a minute. Good question. Observe. Suppose SYSO control space enter. First display status. Display status. Double quotes. Ampersand. What is the concatenate?
So can we just use comma?
No. Just a minute. Plus Enable. We will check. We will check. Enabled status. Selected status. It is not accepting this one. Just use plus. Just use plus. Just concatenate. Still. What is your suggestion, Ravindra?
Can we use just comma, sir?
Just a comma is different. Comma is different. Suppose first value concatenate second value. Just a minute. The operator plus is undefined for the arguments. There's a problem. Just a minute. Concatenate first one, next concatenate. No.
Sir, why we need to concatenate, sir? We can give just space also, right?
Just a space.
Yeah. In the codes,
Okay.
we can
Concatenate means just a minute. I will check this one. Suppose just a minute. Actually, these are independent values. Okay. Yes. One still problem. Remove arguments, println.
Sir, one more bracket is extra.
bracket problem, sir.
Where?
There are closing two brackets and opening is just one bracket.
Still. Remove arguments to match. Remove arguments to match println. Boolean. Oh. This is Boolean. Boolean. Then what is the problem? If it is Boolean, what is the problem? Just a minute. Observe, Ravindra. Displayed status. If it is Boolean, then what is the problem?
Sir, can you just try with only print, sir, not println?
It is saying
Change to printf. Oh, this also. See here, three values. One value displayed status. Just a minute. Suppose okay, Preeti, some problem is there. I will rectify this problem. it is Boolean. It is asking. What is your suggestion, Ravindra? Some small problem is there, Preeti. I will show it later. Tomorrow I will show. Yes, you can display multiple items in single step, but in this scenario, that is not correct. Why? All statuses are unique statuses, independent status. That's why. Continue, Ravindra. You continue, Jyotirmai. Ravindra, mic problem.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Next. What is the first output?
Next. First output is
True.
displayed status true. Enabled status true.
Next. True.
Status true.
Next.
True.
True. False na?
False, sir. Yeah, last one false.
False.
False. Yeah.
Next, check that one. Check that one. Checkbox. Checkbox dot click. Checkbox dot click. Again, selected status. Selected status. Suppose selected status 2. 2. Just a minute. Suppose 2. This time it will show true. True. Next, unselect. Checkbox. Checkbox dot again click. Click. Next. Just a minute.
Select status 3.
Again check the status. Suppose this time select status 3. 3. After unselect, definitely it will show
false.
False. Observe true, true, false, true, false. True, true, false, true, false. Just a minute. Driver dot close.
Close.
Run the program. Observe, Ravindra. Observe. Launching. True, true, false, true, false. Okay, na Smriti? Smriti, are you following?
Yes, sir.
Sirisha. Any queries, Sirisha?
I'm good, sir.
Okay, cool. Just last 5 minutes, I will show this image. Observe, Ravindra. You come, Vijay. Vijay,
Yes,
you
sir.
come. And one more thing, Vijay. We already discussed button. Image button also same, but end user point of view, user friendliness point of view, developers use image button. Functionality is same. Next, image link as like text link only. We discussed operations on text link. As like text link operations. But user friendliness point of view, or you can say end user point of view, developers use this type of elements. 8. Image. General image. Next, image button. Image button. Next, image link. Image link. Observe.
Sir, is
Observe Ravindra. Suppose google.com. Google.com. Here one image is there. Forget about this India. This is subtitle. Title is Google. Take the Firebag. Take the hand mouse pointer and show this one. HTML. Observe Vijay. This is image,
yes,
na?
sir.
Here you can observe title of image, so and so, next background, next height, weight, pixels. Okay, ID is HP
yes,
logo. Now I want to return this value. I want to return this value. Observe Ravindra, I want to return this value.
Yes, sir.
Suppose
the value of Google, right, sir?
Yes, value of that image. Value of the image. See, most of the time we don't check heights, widths, etc. Most of the time titles correct or not, image titles correct or not. Sometimes you may check height and widths also. Same way you can check. Say this one, semicolon. Next, return value na, suppose string, what is that one? Image title, image title equals to driver dot find element. Next, by dot ID. What is the ID value?
HP logo, sir. HP logo.
Good. Just a minute. Show this one.
Small HP.
Yes, small HP logo. Good. HP logo dot. Suppose get attribute. Get attribute. Otherwise, okay. Attribute only. Observe Vijay.
Yes, sir.
Title is there na? Title is attribute,
yes, sir.
not element locator. You try with that one.
Okay.
Just a minute. Within double quotes, title. Next, semicolon. Next, SOSO control space enter. Next, image title. Image title. Okay, just thread dot sleep. Suppose 5,000. Just a minute. 5,000 milliseconds means 5 seconds. A safe side generate the add throws declaration. Okay. Next, you go to this page, another page. You can directly go to that one. What is that page? Suppose Mercury. Tours. Here observe the sign in. Sign in is image button. Image button. Just a minute. Image button. This is Google Chrome. Name login is there. Name login is there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. First take this one. Take this one. Suppose without entering, okay, just perform operation. By entering username and password, valid username and password, if you select sign in, you may get next page. If you just select sign in, it will redirect to another page, but username password as it is, means again it asks. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
A minute. You can observe that operation. Suppose
Driver dot
get or
navigate, sir, or navigate.
proper way, type
Navigate.
just a minute, dot navigate. Next option is to navigate to.
Mercury tour.
Okay, this one. Here, click operation. Driver dot find element. Next, by dot name is next chapter. All of you put mute. Login dot click. Observe Ravindra. Observe. Run the program. First launch in Google. After returning the title and 5 seconds, redirect to this one. Click this sign in. Redirect it to another page. Did you observe, Ravindra? Redirected to another page na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Observe, Vijay. Title also returned.
Yes,
now
sir.
come to operate third one. Again 5 seconds. Just for observation. Next, go to driver dot navigate dot to. You can use to option a number of times if required. Just a minute. Suppose Selenium. HQ. Selenium HQ. Here I want to operate this Selenium IDE image.
On 27th line, previously, I think yesterday or day before yesterday, you said after the two, it is the optional. So, what do you mean by that optional stuff, sir?
What is the optional? After two, you need to write the URL. That is
Yes.
mandatory.
Okay.
Mandatory. Here, no optional concept. I think I forgot that one. No optional concept. Suppose navigate dot to. Within double quotes, you need to mention that URL. Otherwise, how to launch that particular web page. Next, one more thing. Suppose navigate dot back. Plain method, plain option. There also no. I think I might forgot. There also no optional, means no URL. No URL. Why? You are going back to your browser history. So no URL. Forward. No URL required. Plain. Two, URL is mandatory. Mandatory plain. Here no optional concept. Tell me.
No, in previous video, it was you said it is optional. That's why
No,
I asked.
actually here no optional concept.
Okay, sir.
I might forgot, but it is no optional here. If it is two option, URL is mandatory. If it is back, navigate dot back or navigate dot forward, no URL. Plain method. Open and close parenthesis, blank parenthesis. Next, come driver. Okay. Dot find element. Driver dot find element. Observe Vijay. It is link type.
Yes, sir.
But we cannot use visible text. Link text na. Here, what is the link text? No link text. Image is available. If it is text link, if it is text link, you can use link text or partial link text. Here only image icon. Now try other locators. Suppose take mouse pointer, show this one. Class name. What is the class name? Icon. Tag name. Image.
Image.
No other source. SRC is not the locator. You show the first one. Image class icon. Next second one. Image class icon. Next this big one. This big one is different. These three only links. Image class image. Tag name image. Class name icon. Tag name image. Class name icon. Our third one also same. So tag name, class name, not useful. These are duplicate. And one more thing, no ID available, no name available. And one more thing, link text and partial link text not applicable for this element. Go for XPath. Take the just a minute. Mouse pointer, show this one. Observe this value. Just observe this value. TR means table row. TD means table data. TD2 center A. Center A image. First one.
Yes, sir.
TD1 center A1 image. Next,
okay, sir.
Center A2 image. Third one.
Only center.
Center A image. So different. You can take this one. Try this one. Observe Preeti. Try this one. Find element. By dot. Type X. Select X path. Next. What is the operation? Click. Link type. Operation same, but element locators. Recognition different. Click. Okay. Observe Vijay. Run the program. Run the program. First it will launch Google homepage and return Google image title. Then launch Mercury Tours web page. There it will click sign in image button. Next, after 5 seconds, it will launch seleniumhq.org. There it will click Selenium IDE. Over. Selenium IDE page redirected. Okay, now Jyotirmai, Sirisha, are you following?
Yes, sir. Following.
Just a minute. Remaining we will discuss tomorrow. Just a minute. I'm going to close the today's session. Just a minute. Tell me, Vijay, any queries regarding this today's session? Today we discussed
No, sir, no.
Radio button, drop-down box, checkbox, and types, different types of image element.
No, sir, no query, sir.
Okay, cool.
Sir, could you please send the notes, sir?
Okay.
Yesterday, I think we didn't. Please.
Today
So
also, did you observe Jyotirmai today notes?
Yes,
Yesterday notes? I didn't send yesterday's notes.
No, sir. Just invitation only. We got no notes.
No notes.
Okay.
Okay, I will check and send after the class.
Okay.
Notes are there.
Notes is there, na?
Yes, sir.
Notes is there, Jyotirmai. You check that one. And one more thing. Daily video link not required. That is adding playlist.
Oh, okay. Notes is there.
Notes is there in that invitation.
Video is not.
Otherwise, I will send consolidated also today. Any queries, Jyotirmai?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, welcome. Preeti Joshi, any queries regarding this today's session?
No.
Welcome.
I'm good.
Welcome. Ravindra.
I'm fine, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Smriti.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Vijaya. I forgot Vijaya today. Vijaya, any queries?
Yes, sir. I'm good, sir. Thank you.
Okay, welcome. We will meet tomorrow, same time. Thank you.